The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all round the town. The wheels on the sub go bus, all round the town. The
charmx
on the bus go.
What is up, you guys? I'm charmx, and today I'm going to be reacting to YTP and charmx likes and dislikes on this video. Without any further ado, let's begin. Guys, I'm charmx, and today, oh my goodness, I'm losing my mind. Fight! You know, a charmx can't speak. Part 1. A charmx catastrophe part 5. Can't fart.
Thanksgiving video. I'm at Grandma's house. How shall I poop? I got 1 door, 2 doors.
I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
Are you ready?
Cunt. Where are you going? This is your responsibility. You can't just walk away. The Lions need us. Walk away from me. I said walk away from me. Cunt. I said stop.
This thing's trying to eat the steak. You never see.
Fight! I freaking knew they were coming because I've seen something similar to that.
All right.
Attention.
charmx
Detected. Evacuate all stations.
Well, at least we know what he went with.
Look, you've met the Elder. It's the shame of his entire race.
Aw, look at that. Yeah, it's cute. Did it just wink?
You never know what is going to come through that door.
Where's the paper towel?
Hey, I'm not the one sitting on the sidelines while everyone else marches into certain death.
Sit on the sidelines?
I put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
Oh, forget it. Here, it's my most ingenious, foolproof plan yet. Oops. That's a picture of
Alistair Azimuth.
Don't know how that got in there.
Gonna harm.
Oh, forget it.
I'm gonna blow a chunk.
Farius, you're making a mistake.
Steak is a gift and not to be tampered with.
This is your last chance, Orbis. How do I get into the
Steak.
chamber?
You are making steak. The steak is not a time machine.
Please don't put your penis in a jar of peanut butter.
There is only one who will enter my steak chamber, and he is safe, far from you.
Where is he? Where did he go? I don't know, sir. I'm pulling up a residual image from his database. We scanned it before he dissipated.
Steak.
I just wanted to let you know I will be traveling to the outpost on Xanathar and will not be back until morning.
Steak.
Just has requested an audience with me, and etiquette dictates I comply.
Don't go, sir.
Now I've got you. It can't be. You're steak. Forgive me. And you, my dear boy, look just like steak.
Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find a steak? Steak.
On the bus go
Eat me.
all round the town.
It's free real estate.
What the fuck?
you. Did it just wink?
What is up, you guys? I'm charmx, and today I'm gonna be reacting to YTP at charmx.
Fuck her right in the pussy. Maybe that's what I'll do when they find her. I'll go and fuck her.
Yeah, so it's gonna be a funny YouTube thing.
Turn it off! Turn it off!
Cunt. On the bus go.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
All around the town.
You never see it come back. You see the money to
Spread the word. Now you know. Morgan & Morgan, forthepeople.com.
And you, my dear boy, look just like Hunt.
Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find...
Hunt. Now I've got you. Hunt.